Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you properly in how to do the dive bomber push-up. Get on all fours on the floor with your feet hip width apart and hands shoulders width apart. Push your hips up as high as possible so you will be resembled by letter V. You should be upon your toes. Keep your back flat with arms and legs straight, and this is the starting position. Lower your hips, keep your legs straight, rely your arms to bend, that you push forward, and your chest nearly crease the floor, like a dive bomber. Curve your back, extend your arms without locking it out. Your face should be looking forward and count few seconds before moving. And now, reverse direction, pushing your hips up so that your back will be inverted in letter V. Hold for few seconds and repeat for the desired repetition. So what is the benefits of dive bomber push-up? Primary movers, dive bomber push-up primarily target the muscles in your chest, the pectoralis major. Secondary movers target the deltoids, triceps, core muscles, erector spinae, quads, hamstring, and glutes. This is a very good exercise, so it's very good to include to your everyday workout routine.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. See you again in my next vlog. Bye!